Hi and welcome to Parenting Help. Can a COVID positive mother breastfeed her baby? Will the coronavirus pass to the baby through breast milk? These are all the common questions that I come across while browsing through the social media. I have uploaded this video to clear all your doubts regarding corona and breastfeeding. For the question whether COVID positive mothers can breastfeed her baby or not, the answer is yes. She can, and she should definitely breastfeed her baby. There are two reasons why I am telling you to breastfeed is that number one, as per the studies conducted by World Health Organization and similar institution, so far there is no evidence to prove that coronavirus can pass to the baby through breast milk. And even if such a transmission was possible, then the virus would have passed to the baby long before you even knew that you were infected. Most of the people think that they get infected immediately after the virus enters their body. No, it's not like that. You won't get infected immediately after the virus enter your body. There will be at least a gap of 2 to 3 days between the entry of virus into your body and the manifestation of the symptoms. In case of coronavirus, this may take 4 days or 1 week or even up to 2 weeks for some people, and sometimes some people may remain asymptomatic, that is without any symptoms throughout the entire illness. This time period of 2 days to 2 weeks, that is the time period between the entry of virus into your body and the manifestation of the symptoms, this time period is called incubation period, and the incubation period is the time period during which the virus multiplies and grows within your body. Only when the viral load reaches a particular limit, you get the symptoms. So, if the coronavirus could pass from mother to baby through breast milk, then it would have passed during this incubation period. But you need not worry about it, because your breast milk is rich in antibodies. It's a commonly known fact that breast milk is rich in antibodies. But in addition to the already existing antibodies, COVID positive mothers breast milk is rich in COVID antibodies. So these antibodies will also pass to the kids through your milk, and it will protect your baby's body against COVID infection. So this is the main reason why the healthcare providers advises the mother to continue, a COVID positive mother to continue breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the only way you can protect your baby against this disease. So what about handling your baby? If the baby is above 6 months of age, then you can give the baby to the baby's grandparents or your husband or whoever is there in your house to support you when you are not feeding your baby or when you are not spending some time with the baby. You can just feed the baby, spend some time with the baby, playing with him, or having skin to skin contact with the baby for a while, and then you can give the baby to people who are there to help you, to support you, and then you can self-isolate yourself. But if you are a nuclear family and there is no one to support you, you can ask your husband to take care of the baby in case if you are too exhausted or when you are feeling very weak or tired. Now, if your baby is of age group 0 to 6 months, then you need to keep your baby with you most of the time. Why? Because the skin to skin contact between a mother and baby is crucial for the physical and mental development of a baby. This skin to skin create a sense of safety and security in the baby, and this is what is important for a baby's growth and development. This skin to skin contact is essential, especially when the baby is a newborn or if it is a preterm baby or a low birth weight baby. Babies under the age group 0 to 6 months definitely has to spend most of the time with its mother. In case of hospitalization, you can express your milk using a breast pump, because hand expression is really tough and it will take time. It is easier to express your milk using a breast pump. You can express your milk and then you can send it to home so that the caretaker can feed it to the baby. This is applicable only when you are not on antiviral drugs. The antiviral drug Remdesivir, which is commonly prescribed in India for COVID, is an experimental drug, and no one knows what is its effects on babies. And mostly the doctors won't prescribe this medicine to breastfeeding mothers unless it is necessary to save the mother's life. And in such cases, the doctors advise the mother to stop breastfeeding temporarily till she recovers from COVID. So now you may ask me whether the milk supply will drop or stop if you won't breastfeed the baby for the long gap of 1 week or 14 days. Initially you may experience breast engorgement because of not feeding your child. So in such situation you can express your milk and then discard it, and gradually within 1 or 2 days it will be all right. And regarding the milk supply, your milk supply will stop temporarily because you are not feeding at present. But as soon as you recover and you reach your home and restart breastfeeding, then slowly the body will identify the need for milk secretion, and it will signal the hormones to get active again and to start milk production. If this doesn't happen, you can consult a gynecologist and get the drug required to boost your hormones to produce the milk. Usually you will require only a minimum dose to boost your milk production. I hope your doubt whether COVID positive mothers can breastfeed her baby or not is cleared now. If you have any doubts regarding this topic or if you need to know some other topics related to COVID or corona, you can comment it in the comment section. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please share it so that other COVID positive mothers can also get some comfort and guidance. If you are interested to watch more parenting related, health related topics, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be updated whenever I upload new videos. I will be back again with another useful video. Thank you for watching.